right, I'm going in. Woo.
This is 9 CV512s.
Okay.
On 3 Terps 30Ks.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
About 1,200 amp hours of lithium.
1,200 amp? Wow.
Yep, and 2 Brand X 320s.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all really are... Y'all just done a lot of fab work, I can tell.
Yep.
And you've got steel bracing up here.
Yep.
Wow.
There's 2 inches of poured sand resin on the floor.
Yes, sir.
And sound ender over that.
Wow.
1/8 inch steel on the doors.
Man.
I folded all my door speakers over there last season, so I said I'm not going to worry about running door speakers.
And it helps contain pressure.
By far.
Yeah. SPL wise, what are you doing on the meter? Do you know?
165 at 39.
Very nice. That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 30 square inches per cubic foot. 22 cubes.
Can I see the power in the back?
Yeah.
There.
By all means.
Woo! Man.
That part's more impressive.
It is, yeah. Woo. Wow. Oh, you got a whole amp rack cooler system here going. A lot of them. And that's like over, you said 1,200 lithium. Woo. Wow, this is cool. I've never seen an amp rack system like that.
Isn't that cool?
And you don't have a pulse system, just a push system.
Yeah, just a pull.
Okay, oh, a pull, okay.
If you see like, I wouldn't do it right now, but if you put your hand, not where the speaker wires are, but when you put your hand
Right here.
there, careful, yeah.
You can feel it sucking.
Exactly.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay, because most systems I've seen, they always have a push and a pull, but this one's sucking it out.
Yep.
Very
And
nice.
they're not getting very warm.
Yeah.
They're still ambient.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Wow. And what was your name?
Mike Reineke.
Mike. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Very cool. Thank you for showing me.
Not a problem at all.
Is there where I can see the alternator power?
Yeah, go ahead.
I just like to see everything. I'm sorry.
I overdid it on the power wire. There's 16 runs of power and ground, so there's 8 runs of power and 8 runs of ground.
There you go. As long as it's safe, no such thing as overdue, but
Exactly.
better to over than under.
Exactly.
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
Brutal demo. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
man. That was awesome. Woo.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to hear it, man.
I'm not gonna crank it all the way up, but I'll give you a sauce.
Pressure from this is insane. I'm telling people on YouTube, when you feel 160s on music, it makes your chest just cave in and you're choking yourself. Woo. Be sure to give them a like.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Screaming in my
It feels like punching you in the face.
Right?
Like brutal. And that's not even a high tuning. That's like
No.
42, 43. Where is it?
39.
39.
Yep,
Low,
nailed
below
it.
40.
Yeah.
Very nice. I bet you tried to stay below 40.
I do.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yep.
Very nice work.
Thank you, sir.
I'm surprised you got that much pressure with that amount of port
I
area.
know, it's really small.
Oh yeah.
I wake up screaming in my sleep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.